Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to enter special app access, which should be at the very bottom of the device, at the very bottom of the list actually. And here we have to find install unknown apps. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the app you'd like to allow. So let me pick Chrome, and now let's tap on this switcher. And after getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that. And of course it will work the same with all other apps, so just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And the same situation will be when you'd like to turn off the permissions. So just enter the Chrome in my case and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, the Chrome again is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.